Which batch your new student, Sock Monkey?
Oh, my class. So, in today's update, Sock Monkey, you listening?
Yes, I am.
Okay. In today's update, we have a little bit of voice surgery, students. And remember, another teacher contacted me about the areas, so don't go on different areas, students. I got it. You don't need to learn about that now, Sock Monkey. But anyways, here's the areas that you're gonna go on. This is the area you shouldn't go on. This is the area you shouldn't go on. This is the area you shouldn't go on. This is the area you should go on. This is the area you should go on. But don't go to different areas. Got that, students?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, class. What is it? We have a new student. Will be joining us. Come out. Don't be shy. Come up here. Come on.
Okay, I'll come. Hi, Mommy. You invited my kid?
I know. Isn't he a great genius that we haven't gone in ages?
That's my kid. Hello, Mommy. How are you doing? I know you've been invited to school, but I didn't mean like that. But I'll be perfect for the school. I'm waiting my fit.
I don't care what you do.
But Mommy, I love school. Okay, so, wait. School's fun, right, teacher?
Yes, Sock Monkey. It is fun. You two are gonna have lots of fun together. You two are gonna have lots of fun together. Okay, genius. So, how about I pick the new student to read?
Yay, I love reading. Because I'm a baby.
I know that. Hey. Stop it. Stop it. Stop hitting the new student, Sock Monkey. You're gonna get in trouble again. Okay, I will not hit the new student. Good. Now, pick something to read.
Pick something to read. Treat the new student. You know why I care about you? Why? You were born in your stomach. I just don't want you that way.
But seriously, which one do you want to read?
I'll choose this one.
Okay. I don't know, but let's try. Choose a book, Junior.
I'll choose this one. This must be my favorite book. I love reading this.
Junior, you found an excellent find.
Thank you. I love this school.
You're welcome. Sock Monkey.
Please don't hurt me into this.
Okay, Sock Monkey, you're gonna read with Junior.
I really don't like reading.
I don't care what you do. Sock Monkey, read a book with Junior. Please.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay, Junior. We're gonna read a freaking book. That's a bad word. I wish I had a teacher on that.
Don't you dare tell the teacher that.
Sorry. I'm sorry I said a bad word. It's okay. Let's read a book.
Okay. Oh, look, Junior. It has balloons.
Yay, balloons! Pop, pop, pop.
Junior, those are not for popping.
I'm a tattoo teacher.
Okay, never mind.
These are for popping. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. I love popping balloons. Mary rolls her little dress. Mary rolls her little dress. You don't understand, can you? No, I'm bad at reading. Okay, let me just turn the page. Look, this is a forest. Can you say forest? Forest. No, it's pronounced forest. Forest. No, it's pronounced forest. Forest. It's forest. Forest. You don't know it. You don't understand how to read, do you? I'm a solid teacher. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay. I'll always be with you. Thanks, Mommy. No, thanks to you. I don't want to tell the teacher anymore. Ah, thank goodness. Ooh, look at this. Mary wrote her red dress. Mary wrote red dress. You don't need a red dress. You need to read your best. Okay. Stop. Mary wrote a red dress all day long. Mary wrote a red dress all day long. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna tell the teacher on you. Okay, stop. Let's just continue reading. Henry wrote a green sneakers. Henry read a green sneakers all day long. That's right, Timmy. Yeah, you're right. Let's keep reading.
Stop! Okay, guys. I think this might be a part 1, but we have to make this a to be continued because I'm gonna go to lunch because I'm so hungry that I need to stop this part for part 1. This is a part 1. Well, to be continued on part 2. Boy. I'll see you in part 2. Stop Monkey and Stop Monkey Jr. reading. We'll see you in part 2.